We are excited to present this gorgeous home built by Cityside Homes in 2016. It features 3 beds, 3.5 baths, and a private driveway. Your home awaits you here in Houston, Texas. Welcome to 3013 Maxroy Street. Let me show you around. Entering the home, you are welcomed by the stunning oak hardwood flooring and secondary bedroom with an ensuite bath. The second floor features high ceilings and an open concept living with the dining and kitchen areas, including a second floor balcony just off the living room. You'll love entertaining guests in the chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances, wine chiller, and an expansive kitchen island featuring quartz countertops with bar stool seating. The third floor features the primary bedroom with a pop-up ceiling, and the primary bath showcases the marble tile around the garden tub and subway tile in the walk-in shower. Also upstairs is the third bedroom with its own bathroom. The greatest feature about this home is the cozy backyard space. This area is a great place to relax and unwind and perfect for pets. Cottage Grove is the ideal location with accessibility to major freeways, restaurants, and shopping experiences only minutes away. You'll really feel the sense of both home and city here at 3013 Maxroy Street. Call us today so we can show you why this is the perfect place for you and your family to call home.